Once you logged into your Tax 1099 account, you can find the extension forms on the dashboard, displayed on the top right, or you can click Forms from the left blue menu bar. To create your extension, this page displays all Tax 1099 forms. Here, use the search bar to locate them quickly, or you can scroll to the bottom to find the extension forms. To file your 7004 business tax extension, click on Form 7004. You'll be redirected to the Easy Extension Forms page, where you can proceed with filing your extension. Enter required details in each field to proceed further. Enter the business full name. And then next, enter the EIN. Next, confirm your EIN. Then, here choose the address type. Enter the address information accordingly. Here, the zip code is mandatory. Enter the signing authority details: signing name, title, and signing phone. Then click on Save and continue to proceed further steps. Select the return type you're extending, example, 1120, 1120S, 1065, etc. Choose the applicable checkboxes based on your selected return and filing, then click on Save and Continue. Select accounting period, calendar year, or fiscal year as applicable. If you select fiscal year, enter the tax year begin date and end date, and here select these options based on your business. Then click on Save and Continue. Choose the correct tax liability option. Select this if your business does not owe taxes to the IRS for given tax year, or select this if you owe taxes to the IRS, and here enter the amount. Click on Save and Continue. Your form will be saved and you'll be redirected to Unsubmitted Forms page. Then select the filer and form type, and review once before clicking on the Submit selected. Then click on Submit selected. Confirm your submission to finalize your forms to the IRS. Now choose the payment method, whether you like to pay with prepaid balance or card. If you have prepaid balance, or if you want to add, you can click on this Add Prepaid Balance and add funds and proceed with your payment. Or you can simply pay using the card option. Click here to add new card. Once added, saved card will shown like this. Select, then here, enter your billing address and payer's email, and click on Pay. You would be displayed Payment Successful screen containing payment ID and reference number of your filings. You can take and save a screenshot for future reference. Now, to check the submission status of your filings, click on the dashboard option and select the fields. Here under the status column, you can see the status of your filings. If you see submission status as submitted, it means the form has sent to the IRS and awaiting response. Rejected means not accepted by the IRS. Fix the issue and resubmit. And if accepted is shown, it means the form are successfully accepted by the IRS.